Nowadays, people in cities and towns live in multi-storied buildings or in cooperative housing societies, CHS, as these buildings are called. The building does not belong to any one individual. The whole building is owned by a group of people called members. Each member owns his or her flat. The member takes care of that flat that he or she owns. But is that enough? No, it isn't. Everyone should collectively take care of the building and society they live in by taking care of the following things. The building should be painted regularly from outside. This prevents damage due to rain. The corridors and the staircase wall should also be painted from time to time. Leakage of rainwater from the terrace should be stopped immediately. This not only damages the building but causes inconvenience to members too. If any peepal or banyan tree starts growing from the walls of the building, including the compound wall, it should be uprooted immediately. These can dangerously damage the walls. The underground and overhead tanks of the building should be cleaned on a regular basis. The building should be insured against fire. There should be fire extinguishers on each floor. Electric meters and the electrical wiring should be checked regularly by the electric supply company. Short circuit is a major fire hazard, and the fire caused due to this can be extremely dangerous. The compound floor should be free of potholes, as these become a breeding ground for mosquitoes. Car parking norms should be adhered to by all members. The members can cooperate, plant a few trees, and take care of these. The garbage from each flat should be collected daily and disposed of properly. The members can get together and install rainwater harvesting facility in the building. This will not only serve their needs but help the entire world population. All members should be sensitive not to create a nuisance by loud music, loud TV, loud parties, etc. It is the duty of every member of the society to keep the entire environment of the building clean and pleasant.